Hey everyone, welcome to the Janice channel. In today's video, we're going to clear up how to pronounce the name of Milo Ventimiglia, an actor known for his roles in This Is Us and Gilmore Girls. It's a bit tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered. First off, his first name Milo is just like it looks. Milo rhymes with high-low. Now, for the tricky part, Ventimiglia, it's pronounced Ventimiglia. The GI in the middle sounds like me, and the final glia sounds like lia, kind of a soft lia sound. So altogether, it's Milo Ventimiglia. Let's practice together. Milo Ventimiglia. Milo Ventimiglia. Milo Ventimiglia. Milo Ventimiglia. Milo Ventimiglia. And there you go. Now you can say his name like a pro. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you next time.